Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we put the power 4 for the both side. So we want to cancel about the root. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. First, the derivative of u to the power of 4, we have 4u to the power of 3. First, the derivative of s to the power of 3, we have 3s squared ds. This one that is about the constant, so you got about 0 in here. Because we don't have number 3, so we need to divide both sides by number 3. This one we change by u. S squared ds we change by this one. So this one we have u squared. The integration of u squared, we have u to the power of 3 over 3, and then I will put about the c in here. About u, that is about this one. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.